Hello everyone, good time, good day, pleasant evening. So let us speak about freshness. So freshness, is it freshness about chilling up? Is it freshness about fresh breezes of the nature? Is the freshness about what if we are around the trees, plants in our garden? Is that freshness? Yes, of course it is freshness. So it makes us feel fresh. So and one more thing, after taking bath we feel a lot of fresh from inside. It's so cool, pleasance of mind. The same way our thoughts, let us cultivate fresh thoughts, not messing up the situations, not pushing on the what not pushing on the things, so which are our words which are inappropriate, uh, pushing them onto other people and making them so depressed, uh, and blaming others. So it takes off their pleasantness. Takes off their peace of mind. So it becomes tough for them to handle the situation. So and at the same time the person who have done like that, he or she will also be having the thoughts rotating inside his or her mind, like how to disturb them even more. So when these negative thoughts are rotating inside the mind, so does the person who is making others suffer, so does he or she are with fresh minds? No, not at all. Only when we think others to be so cool, others not to get trouble because of us. When we think this way, their positiveness on them. So whatever they think, they may think. Uh, they may have positive opinions on us, or maybe some misunderstandings. That doesn't matter. So the universe, Panchabhuta, knows everything, what is a fact and what is not true, right? So when we are genuine, when we are true, always the freshness touches us, even though how much depressed, or how much we are out of balance of balancing the situations of lot of troubles created by others. Even though that is happening also, when we are with fresh thoughts, that means not harming others, and still keeping up the fresh thoughts, and still thinking that to shower love and to make the world the beautiful place. Really one day we will be so beautiful with the freshness of the with the freshness by the Panchabhuta, which brings us one day uh, with so cool so cool breezes, so fresh thoughts and good health. By that good health, so only that makes us stand up and make some better moments with our kids, with our family, friends, yes, children. uh, yeah, as daily thinking about my many students, I always dream of them only. That's why only children I was getting. uh, so everyone, keep loving everyone. So let us make our surroundings so beautiful, so fresh, with fresh thoughts always. Let us feel fresh by the thoughts rotating inside our mind. That is important, so that we can get the double power with the fresh thoughts when we are with the nature. Yes, it's so lovely, beautiful thoughts. It's so lovely to imagine when everyone speak with love and affection, helping each other. So how beautiful the world becomes. Yeah, it goes far away and hits universal peace. That is our intention. Stay happy, stay healthy. Let us speak loudly without hurting others, without troubling others. Let us rotate fresh thoughts inside us. Stay happy, stay healthy,
Stay
be
happy,
fresh
stay healthy, be
always.
fresh always.
Bye bye.
Bye.